Okay, this is Jacsen's monster truck collection. We got Bounty Hunter, Scarlet Bandit, Iron Outlaw with mud tires, regular Iron Outlaw, Mohawk Warrior, U.S. Air Force, Medusa Cancer Awareness Edition, regular Medusa, Heartbreaker, Obsessed, Anger Management, Matador, a different Matador, Freedom Force, Crazy Train, Maniac, Tropic Thunder, Grinder, Excalibur, Suzuki, Shock Therapy, Gunslinger, Backwards Bob, Covert Crasher, Utter Madness, Captain's Curse, Blacksmith, Samson, Cutting Corners, Avenger, Riveted, War Wizard, Backdraft, and Bone Shaker. Then we have El Toro Loco, a different kind of El Toro Loco. Bulldozer, Jurassic Attack, Monster Mutt Dalmatian, Predator, a different Predator, Prowler, and then in the back there we have Brutus. Then we have Batman, Iron Man, Spider-Man, Superman, another Superman, Maximum Destruction, a different Maximum Destruction, Gravedigger with the black hood, Gravedigger 30th Anniversary Purple, Gravedigger 30th Anniversary Green, Gravedigger with the thing on the hood, Gravedigger with the 4-time champion thing on the hood, and then the Gravedigger with the removable wheels. That's Jacsen's monster truck collection. Hope it makes everybody happy.